Okay, let's make porridge yam. Here I have my oil. Went in with my onions. I like to fry a little so that it will infuse the oil. Add my fresh tomatoes. Add my pepper mix, which contains tatashi, shumbo, and pepper. Stir, stir, stir. I go in with my nut cube. Give this a good paste and allow it to dry. Went in with salt. Allow it to fry for some time before I'll go in with my I went in with my crayfish, okponye. Fry it together. Now go in with the yams. Mind you, I added sweet potato to this because most time you buy yam that are not that nice, so the sweet potato helps it. That's the sweet potato going in now. Then I allow it to steam a little. Give it a good stir before I go in with water and the dry fish that I'm using. Went in with water. I love to have moisture in my yam, so I went in with enough water. As you can see, the yam is done here, but there is enough water. And the sweet potato, which is already soft, we've taken it. So I went in with another sliced onions and fresh tomatoes because I love to see it while I'm eating. Went in with my okpa. Give this a good stir. Okay, then I'll go in with my vegetable. You can use any vegetable of your choice. I use scent leaf here. I use scent leaf and my pumpkin leaf. I went in first with the scent leaf before going in with the pumpkin leaf. And voila, your sumptuous porridge.